Hello and welcome to the Mathematics Kicker. This is lesson part 9. Then we are still on the quadratic inequalities. In this case, we're asked to solve for x. We're asked to solve for, in other words, it means for which value of x is this and times this greater than 12? Is this multiplied by this greater than 12? Then how do we deal with something of this nature? We apply the same rules in when we deal with the equations, right? Then we'll split the brackets. Then we can use the FOIL method. This one times this one would have how much? X squared. Then this times this will have how much? Minus 3x. This time this will have how much? Will have x. Then when we add or subtract them, the signs are different. We'll have minus 2x. We have two numbers have different sign. We subtract and answer this other bigger number. We have this, and this one times this one will have what? We'll have minus 3 is greater than 12. Yes, you can do it on your own. Then it will lead you to this step. Right. Then now let's proceed. We'll have how much? We'll have x squared minus 2x minus 3. We change 12 to the other side. We have what? Minus 12 is greater than 0. So it's greater than 0. Then we have how much with x squared? Then minus 2x. We have like terms here. Then they give us minus 15 is greater than 0. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Then 3 plus 5 minus 3, it will give us negative. You give us 2, which is the coefficient of x, right? Then now this is algebra, it's purely algebra. Then now let's factorize x and x. If x and x, then about factors as 5 and 3. Then the middle term is minus. This one will take plus. Then when you multiply them, we'll have this, right? Then now, in this case, I said, please do not write equal sign. Do not write the x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 3. It is wrong because your final answer will argue the statement which you've made here. Avoid doing that. Write critical values, the critical values without equal sign are minus 3 and what? And 5. Okay, when you take 3 to the other side, you have minus 3. 5 to the other side, you will have 5. Then you draw your number line. Do not write x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 5. Because your final answer will argue your statement, right? Then we'll have minus 3 and 5. Then it's not included because it's only greater than is not included. Then we'll write it as like this. Not included. Then I set it to be plus, minus. To prove it, you take any number which is less than minus 3, you substitute here. We take it from here. Sorry, let's take it from here. Let's take it from here. You'll take it from here. Take it from this step. Take it from this step. In this one, it may be confusing. But take it from here. Even in this one, it will work. But let's take it from here. It's much simpler when it's greater than 0. Then you take any number which is less than minus 3, then you substitute here, you will get positive. Any number is greater than 5, you substitute here, you will get a positive, right? Then you take any number which is between negative 3 and 5, then you substitute here, you will get negative. Always to be plus, minus. Then now in this case, we check where this expression must be, if we substitute any value of x, this expression must be greater than 0. Then the greater than 0 means what? Positive. Then where is positive? Positive is this side and this side. That's how we conclude. We will say our x, it will be this side. And another one will find it this side, right? This side and this side. We say x is what? Is less than minus 3. Or, if it is that, it's or what? If it was inside its end. Or what? Or what? Or x, ne? Is greater than 5. You can see x is less than minus 3x is greater than 5. This is your answer. Then if we wrote x is equal to 5, this statement argues this one. You see, they will argue. You have to avoid writing equal sign. You can only write it if you have greater than equaling 2, but it's not included. When you say x is equal to 5, it means that 5 is included now. And negative 3, so negative 3 is included and the 5 is included. We don't have to write like this. You just have to write critical values are negative 3 and 5. Please subscribe and share with your friends and the classmates. I will upload more videos. Please like and subscribe, and you can comment. Wait for the next video. I say peace.